Can you give a dog popo? Tatum, can you give dog a popo?
No.
Good job. Aw, are you putting in the truck? Vroom. Yeah. Truck. Tatum, where's your cheek? Yeah. Where's your nose? Yeah. Where's your mouth? Mouth, yeah. Where's your head? Head. Where's your ear? Where's your eye? Yeah, it's up here. Up eye. Yeah. Where's your tummy? Yeah.
There's your tummy.
Where's your arm? No, that's your knee. Where's your hand? Yay! Where's your knee? Knee. Where's your feet? Feet.
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 Where's your feet?
Yeah. Oh, close. Where's your toes? Toes. Yay. Can you spin? Wow. Uh-oh. Can you do it again? Can you spin? Yay.
Wow.
Can you give dog a hug? Oh. Can you give popo? Yeah. Can you give appa popo? Appa. Can you give appa popo?
Mwah.
Oh. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
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 Bye-bye.